honors goes to Alexandra Nicole P. Mendoza.
Laki ng mukha. Isa naman.
Most industrious, most helpful.
Lipat-lipat.
Nessie Marie D. Kabangbang. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Isa naman, Soy.
Most punctual and most industrious goes to Jonathan C. Biernes. May we give them a round of applause.
Wow.
Most friendly, 10 honors. Baya Nicole D. Narvas. Palakpakan po natin sila.